Hello everyone. I am tackling changing the headlights and the focus. I'll tell you what, it's not an easy chore. You got to remove the cold air box, which means you got to remove the cold air box cover first. And that is so you can gain access to this bottom bolt over here. That's where it is. Anyway, I'm gonna keep after it. Alright, so I got it out, and this weatherproof boot was a booger to get off the back of that. In fact, somewhere here I tore it. So, well, that should be alright. This is the part that seals, not the upper part, so we should be alright there. Now I gotta get that screw out of there and remove the element. Lovely. Alright, so I have one minor issue. This came out. It's the reflector, and it fell into the bucket because I thought I had to remove that screw and that tiny little bracket wherever it is. There, that little bracket. I don't know if I had to do that or not, but I did, and it has become my worst nightmare so far. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put that back together. Okay, well that wasn't any fun. I did get the reflector out of the bucket. That's not the way you're supposed to remove that, obviously. That screw is actually this screw, and it stripped out the plastic body when I went to put it back in. So I had to find a bigger screw eventually, like this one, and cut it down and put it in there. And while I was putting it in there, something shifted, and I don't think I can aim my headlight anymore because I twisted on this and this doesn't move. So $90 away from a new headlight bucket. Yeah, all the headlight has to do is work. It has to be aimed. I hate this crap. I hate plastic crap. I hate poorly engineered crap. And Ford, you really did some crap this time. So anyway, I'm gonna put this thing back together. All right, well, good news. It friggin' works. That's all I care about. Now I get to do that side to match it. All right, so I have an issue here. The retainer that's supposed to be there fell into the frame, and I can't get to it, so I get to use a zip tie. Just, oh, this gets on my nerves. All right, well, that's snugged her up there pretty darn good. I'm gonna call that perfect. Okay, there is no cold air box on the passenger side to remove, but the air conditioning crap is over here. It kind of gets in the way, but the hose is flexible enough you can get to the fastener. Let's see if I could do this without screwing it up. Wish me luck. Okay. Oh yeah, screwed that all up. That was not how that retainer went back in there. And I am not going back into the other side to put it back the way it should go. Ain't happening. It is much easier when you know what you're doing. When you screw up once, you learn pretty quick. All right. you. Like so, so there. Down. And that means I lost another piece from the other side. Lovely. Okay, well, the headlight works, it's all that matters. Oh, this one's cracked. Lovely. Alright, that's gotta go back. Go, wait a minute, plug it in, plug it in. Do not forget to plug it in. Okay. Whew. Alright. Don't need to look like a train anymore. Let's see if what we did worked. Here, put that. Okay, that one's still working, that's good. That one's working. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I'm glad I'm done with this. Man, got a couple of things to put back on the car and button everything up. But anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, do subscribe. It's free to you guys and it helps my channel a lot. I will see you later.